Yo, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be adding some new parts for my Civic. Specifically, we got some control arms and a subframe brace for the rear, and as well as a sway bar. So these particular ones I got from Truhart. I've had Truhart parts in the past, no issues, as you can tell in my previous videos. So I thought, why not give them a chance with the LCAs and subframes, as their LCAs look pretty cool, as you can tell in this particular clip. Nice, shiny, and silver. And I was originally thinking of getting another branded subframe brace, but I decided to just match it up with some Truharts. And last but not least, I got me a eBay sway bar for the rear. As the next clip comes up to talk about the rear sway bar really quickly, it's another one of those Amazon / eBay specials. Just in terms of thought process with my traction bar that I got from the previous video, it seems like the material is the same when I was doing some referencing with other brands, so I didn't really feel the need to spend extra money on a brand new rear sway bar when the material that was offered on eBay is about the same thing. And if it goes bad, I mean, I don't really daily this car anyways, and so far it's pretty solid up until now, and I'll talk more about it at the end of this video. Otherwise, enjoy it, and yeah. So this is the end result. Looks super clean and flashy. I really like how the silver stands out, especially during the nighttime. If you can look at the car from the back during the nighttime, the rear really shines nice and bright through the silver. And as well as the silver really complements the red coilovers and the yellow calipers that I have in the rear. I think it's a good color combination, and the contrasts complement each other. And as well as the sway bar in the back being all set up is really nice. To comment a little bit on it, after taking it for a drive the past couple of weeks, it's amazing, man. The only downside is when you live in a city with a lot of potholes or bumps on the road, you're gonna feel it even more, as the sway bar makes the rear much more rigid, so any of those little bumps is gonna make your ass hurt. But one of the good things is when you take it to any winding roads or canyon roads, wow, how amazing the rigidity is, and how it makes the car a little more planted on the ground, especially when you're turning. So I definitely say this is one of the greatest mods, definitely to add. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for leaving suggestions and feedback on the comments, and I will see you on the next one. Deuces.